Ever wondered how your garden can become a haven for local wildlife? Imagine a space that not only blooms with vibrant flora, but also buzzes with the energy of various creatures. The benefits are immense for you and Mother Nature. Let's delve into how to transform your garden into a wildlife-friendly sanctuary. A scene script. Start by selecting native plants for your garden. These plants are essential as they provide food and habitat for local wildlife. Consider an array of flowering plants, shrubs, and trees. Remember, the more variety, the more diverse wildlife you can attract. Water is a crucial element in any wildlife-friendly garden. It's a magnet for all sorts of creatures, from ponds that offer a home for frogs to bird baths that attract birds, or water features that bees love. Even a small water feature can make a big difference. Next, think about providing shelter for wildlife. Consider adding birdhouses, creating bug hotels, or leaving certain areas of your garden untouched. These safe spaces allow creatures to nest, rest, and thrive. With shelter, your garden can become a safe haven for wildlife. Lastly, avoid using harmful chemicals in your garden. These substances, including pesticides, can be detrimental to wildlife, disrupting their natural habits and health. Opt for organic gardening methods instead, promoting a balanced, biodiverse ecosystem. A truly wildlife-friendly garden is a natural one. Now you have the basic steps to create your own wildlife-friendly garden. Let's quickly recap. You start by choosing native plants, which are already adapted to your local climate and soil. Then provide a water source. A simple bird bath or a pond can do wonders. Next, create shelter for the wildlife. A few logs or a birdhouse can be a sanctuary for them. Lastly, avoid chemicals. They might harm the very wildlife you're trying to attract. A wildlife-friendly garden not only benefits the local wildlife, but it also provides you with a colorful, lively oasis right in your backyard. Start your wildlife-friendly garden today, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.